What a good morning to have a good day. Trying to put some good kilometers into this new clutch. We are going to meets and car events all over Perth. I'm on my way to a car show, like car event. It's a motorsports event. Sounds actually really cool. It's at a racetrack. You can do like the speed session where you go on track. I was going to do that, but my clutch took longer than expected. So there's drifting demonstrations, there's car show, all types of things, right? It's about an hour drive for me, so yeah, that's gonna be putting good Ks into this new clutch. I know by the title of this video, you are here for the big announcement. So what I'm going to do, while I'm at this car event, I won't be able to be at the big announcement thing. So D is going to take over, show you the big announcement when he's there. Also, I have another big surprise that might happen sometime in this video. So keep watching this video to see the extra surprise and find out what the big announcement is, because I am so excited. We are all excited. You should be excited. So you should subscribe to the channel and like this video. So I've got a couple of things in the car. So I've got the quick detailer there for the car show, and I have a jack. So what that jack is for, you will see later in this video. Sometime in this video, I'll put it in. We're getting ready for the next kind of version of this car. Yeah. You think you know what the announcement is or what the surprise is? Put it down in the comments below and let's see if you're right. Right now, I'm giving you guys 5 seconds.
And then taking the big step up into the big league.
Thin and you're not going to get anything done.
Okay, so we actually got to a meet finally. It's gonna stay here for a while before we make the big announcement and also head over to the surprise thing that we got. Might head to the drift track and see. Oh my gosh.
Good morning.
Oh, the headlight wipers. Seeing an F40 in person, this is, oh, what a car, eh?
It's off the Mazda LMP1 race car from the 1980s. So it's to him we get to see hypercars.
Yes, that is right. This is amazing. BBS, the interior.
Delivers the highest standards of performance, design, safety, and of course innovation, while looking towards a more
That's so nice.
Go and check out the Genesis range of vehicles there.
I've always loved the pillarless look because it just opens up the inside so much. With the clears, oh, this is a favorite car of the show right now.
The more cars I have in this shed, the more money I'm saving.
Thank you very much, Lloyd, and all of our friends at Shannon Insurance. Go and check out shannonsinsurance.com.au.
The sound of our people. Turbos, SRs, and tires screeching.
Very, very shortly.
So enough of that. We've seen enough nice cars. It was actually a really good event, but now let's get ready for the big announcement. I can't be there at the moment, so I'm going to hand this off to D, and he will tell you the big announcement for the channel. Okay, if you guys are excited as I am, click that subscribe button. Let's go, let's do this. Big announcement time. I'll hand this over for you, D. Okay, have fun, bye. We are heading to have a look at a potential build for the channel. It's as good as it looks in the photos. We'll have a look at it and show you guys once we get there. Hopefully you guys can see the potential project. Alright, we just scored the biggest barn find, caught up trailer, and we're getting it towed home right now. Hopefully get it home soon. Can give you guys a walk around of the interior because I couldn't get any footage of the interior. I was kind of stuck between a bush and couldn't get the door wide open. And the battery's dead and it's not running. We got it safely on the trailer and on the way home. Cut. Alright, so we got it back home. Can show you guys some interior shots before the battery dies because we're a bit low on battery, and I don't normally record this stuff, so Z will edit some stuff into this. So this is a stock R34 GT RB25 DE Neo. So it's battery's dead, but it doesn't have much on the clock. Auto NA for the real drivers. Interior's not very clean. Okay, let's take a peek at this. What a beauty. So I've taken the rocker cover off. Neo sign on it, just because I was having a look at some of the stuff. Pretty clean for the most part. Look like she's been sitting under a tree for years. But yeah, 4 doors, more doors. Gotta get the headlights done. Windscreen needs to be repaired. Should be a good one. Alright, I'll sign off for now. Hopefully see more videos on the Hustle Garage TV channel. More of this build. That means we have 2 new projects. We got the Mercedes 190E and the R34 sedan. Started with 1. Now this year we brought in 2 more. Now we have 3. Yeah, so we gotta get that started and running, which is going to be so much fun. So all this was not planned. This just happened just like that. It just happened one after the other and everything just fell in line. We just thought, let's just do it in one video and just give you guys everything that we're doing. A huge dopamine boost about Hustle Garage. Let's head to the other surprise. We got to head to this guy's place, which I don't know where he lives, so I need maps. The next clip, you'll probably already know what we're doing, but yeah. Okay, let's go. I'm so excited, but I'm so nervous. My heart is beating so fast. Let's do this.
No, I cancelled all my plans for this.
Oh, man.
Like, literally, this is the cleanest I've ever had these wheels for. It's just so different. And fitment just isn't.
Yes, we are test fitting new wheels. So yes, I said these wheels were my dream wheels, but because of the next version of this car, I want better fitment, especially for what I'm going with. These wheels will get me to where I'm looking to go. So God dang.
Damn.
Oh my god. Oh
Yeah, you want to record that before you put that down, because that's crazy.
Yes.
They actually look so good.
They look so good.
Oh man, they actually fit like perfectly.
Oh my gosh. These look so good. Wow. Okay. Oh man. Oh, that fitment would be so nice. Let's take these off. Bang. Okay, let's put these fronts one on. Easy clear.
Really?
Yeah.
That's so good.
Alright, the car is still up in the air, but even just from this looks so good. This is what his car looked like with the XX wheels. Wide as. T5R 2-piece. Just a little bit more camber if you want it tucked. But the fronts, that's literally perfect fitment for the fronts. Alright, let's put this car down. Let's see what it looks like. I'm so excited. The grand reveal. Let's go. Need heaps more camber in the front for sure.
Yeah. Well, I mean, look at that.
Okay,
Look at that.
let's have a look. These. As you can see, this is the VSXX on this side. I think I'm liking the XXs more than T5R 2-piece. Oh, mate. Look at them. So this is the other surprise that we had for this video. 2 surprises in one video. We had to do it. We had to do it. Okay, I need to sleep on these and see how I feel in the morning. Probably sleep with the photos tonight, to be honest. See you guys in a bit. There you have it. What a video, what a day it has been. This is such a big dopamine hit today. Hopefully that has excited you guys for what's coming up on the channel, where we're going with the channel, where we're going with builds. So much more to come to the channel. This is going to be so much fun, so much fun. We'll see you guys in the next one, of course, as always. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and all that. Yeah, take care, love you guys, peace.